अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए चार चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.
From their childhood pictures, you have to guess these actors. Who is this? One of your co-stars.
My co-star.
Who do you think this is?
It's a South hero.
Who's this?
I've worked with this person. Have I?
Hannah?
No, she's got a bow. This is tough. Who is it?
I'm not showing the audience. So this episode of the Galata India Fans Festival is actually sponsored by Limelight Lab Grown Diamonds. Limelight Lab Grown Diamonds is India's largest lab grown diamond jewelry brand. Lab grown diamonds are absolutely 100% real and the same as natural diamonds, only with a different origin. And they also actually help in saving a lot of manpower, resources and money. So if you like them, please go check out their exclusive collection of solitaire jewelry, or you can visit them across the 20 stores that they have across India, or just go log on to www.limelightdiamonds.com. So I have this game that I'm gonna play with you. You have to guess these actors.
Okay. Guess these actors.
And basically from their childhood pictures, you have to guess these actors. Cheating bilkul nahi chalegi.
Oh my god.
Okay, the first one. You have to
Okay.
guess, huh? Most of
There's
them are
men
actually
and
people you know
women. Oh.
and you must have worked with or maybe had admiration for. Okay? Who do you think is this? One of your co-stars. I've only given the hint.
My co-star. Kriti?
Wow, it's Kriti. It is actually Kriti.
It is Kriti, right?
Yeah, it is.
So cute though. I love the haircut also.
ये तो मतलब ये अगर मुझे भी आता तो मुझे पता नहीं था, but tell me, who do you think this is? Who do you think this is?
It's a South hero.
Of course.
Yeah. Is it Vijay sir?
It is Vijay sir.
It is Vijay sir?
You're just guessing.
I have. I don't know, but maybe I don't know. But yeah, I maybe I've seen this image somewhere. I don't know what. I feel like I'm not so sure, but I'm glad I've. And by the way, I've not been shared the answers if people are wondering.
No.
Yeah.
मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था. यहाँ
Okay.
आने से पहले.
Okay.
I'm video producer के
Next time, this is Shahid.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Shahid. This picture, just yesterday I saw this picture, is somewhere in the scene.
Oh.
Yeah. So they were speaking about this photo, as in like
He's
that's
amazing.
how I know. Yeah.
I called him yesterday actually.
Oh, his son looks exactly like that, no?
Yeah. Who's this?
I've worked with this person. Have I?
Hannah?
No, she's got a bow. You're saying I've worked with this person? No, right?
He's
I
saying
haven't. Okay. So,
Video producer.
I don't know. Karina? Is it?
Oh yeah, this I knew. मैंने ना ऐसे देखा ना, ऐसे करके देखा ना तो मुझे लगा कि
Because
मुझे
I feel like it looks like a bit like Jay.
Oh shit.
Don't you
yeah,
think so?
Yeah,
So that's how I thought Karina.
Yeah, this is actually. I will actually show it to you guys, but don't help her. Okay? I'm going to show you guys first.
Yeah, don't help me. Let me like.
This is very easy, huh? Very easy, don't say.
Okay.
He's
yeah.
like this now also.
Ranveer. Hrithik.
ये आसान
Yeah,
से
this
दिए,
is
एकदम
easy.
बच्चे वाले देते तो नहीं समझ में आता. हाँ,
Yeah,
ये
इससे
चलो,
like,
चलो.
He's so sassy. He's like
Yeah.
अभी इससे और बच्चा. This is tough. Who is it?
I'm not showing the audience. Co-star.
Oh, it's a co-star. This one's tough.
Your team.
Akshay Kumar.
How did you know?
Because of his eyes. Is it Akshay sir? Yeah. And also first, I thought it looked like Nitara.
Yeah, Nitara and he like Nitara actually
Yeah.
looks very similar.
And then, it threw me off because he has a pony here. So first I was like, is it a, and yeah, it's a good picture. And then I thought it looked like Nitara. So I said, oh.
Who do you think this is?
DP.
How did you know
DP. This is such a popular picture of hers. So cute. Look at those cheeks. So sweet. But those cheeks, come on. Oh, Ram. Yeah, he looks the same. He is like just a grown-up version of himself.
Have you seen this video? It's really popular on YouTube. You have to go and check.
Dancing one. Yeah.
Have you seen that?
I've seen
The
it.
Ram Charan, Allu Arjun, all of them just dancing.
And
And Chiranjeevi sir's
so
birthday.
yeah, I know I've seen
It's
it.
crazy.
Listen, I've worked with them. The fans tag me on all these things, so I've seen it.
Next one and the last one. भगवान करिए आपको समझ में ना आए.
I know this. I've seen this. Wait. Allu Arjun.
Correct.
Yeah, Allu Arjun.
Wow. Now I have to tell.
Not bad. I've got a like I don't know. It's a 10 on 10.
It's a 10 on 10, and I have to tell you that usually
Yeah.
we give a gift, which is a poster. It's like a graphic art of yours,
Oh.
which will reach you because it's not been
Oh.
framed on time. So your team is here. You will definitely
Not
get
bad.
it. I was in Lucknow
I
yesterday.
wasn't
so
expecting anything. So
No,
this
but
is
that-
a great.
but you will
even the
definitely
promise of it sounds nice.
you're gonna get it.
Thank
it's
you.
a promise. Whatever I promise on my shows, that is
Okay.
delivered for sure.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you so much for doing
This
this.
was so much fun.
And just stay the way you are. And I hope and I genuinely pray that there's more to this breed of human beings that we have as actors, as performers, as people around us in the society. And this breed of people, generation upon generation, get the opportunities that they truly deserve, and you being one of them, you deserve all the opportunities. This is
Thank
gonna
you.
be a supremely big year for you. There are 2 very, very big films, and I know
I
there's
think
one
so
more that
too.
you're not talking about. But to a great, great year, and to having you again.
2 more I'm not talking about.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Which is the other one that I also don't know about.
Let's see. Let's
This is
see
off
what
camera.
you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah. And thank you so much for doing this. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you. It was good fun.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
How you started your career in your first Tamil movie, Mugga Modi? Did you learn acting beforehand?
Many Bollywood actors are now doing South films. Do you see this as a trend or a long-term shift in industry?
I hope it's a shift, but I also hope that
Which movie for you are you the most proud of and why?
अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए 4 चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.